Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to give a warm welcome to all who is new to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram, send an email, and also message me on WhatsApp. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial video on an eyeshadow, how to transition with colors when doing your eyeshadow. So here's our model. We've done our eyebrows off camera. If you want to know that, watch my previous video on brow tutorial. So first you have to set the brow bone before moving on to your eyeshadow. Please set with a lighter shade of powder from your powder palette or any compact powder you have. So we're going to be using the Gorgeousme eyeshadow palette and this V-shaped blending brush from T Cosmetics. It's a fluffy brush and we're going in with this first shade. This is my transition shade. It's a light brown. It's best to use a lighter shade of brown or cotton color brown to transition in your eyeshadow. So I'm just applying that to the outer corner of her eyes. That's where you start your transition from. Please take note not to get to the brow bone. Just concentrate more on the outer V corner. So next up, we're using this darker brown to further deepen the outer corner. You need to deepen the eyeshadow as it goes. So when transitioning an eyeshadow, it's from darker to a lighter shade. You move from a dark shade to a light shade. Make sure to not add pressure when blending your eyeshadow. You need to blend lightly, holding the brush freely. So now we're going into the same palette and we're going to be using this darker purple and we're going to also apply that on the outer corner. Same circular motion, lightly. Make sure to also dust off any excess from your eyeshadow because you don't want the eyeshadow particles to get into your client's eyes. Neither do you want the effect to be harsh because it's going to be difficult to blend. Next, we're using the Flawless eyeshadow palette. We're taking this light purple or a deeper purple, but it's sharper than the other purple. So now we're going to apply that on her crease and also taking it to the outer corner. So now I'm just actually blending all first together. So I need to blend them properly before I go again to my next shade of color. So for our next phase, I'll be using this angled blending brush and it's from Anastasia. So now I'm going to be taking this shade right here, this darker purple. It's deeper than the other purple. So I'm going to apply that towards her brow bone but on the crease. I really love the feeling of this brush. It's soft, fluffy, and also the shape is really nice. Like it goes directly to where I want it to go. You know, each blending brush has its purpose and serve its purpose. So you need to have more than one blending brush. Next up, I'm going in with this pink shade and I'm also going to apply that at the upper part of her crease close to her brow bone. I want the purple to have a pink like look. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but actually the purple is going to look pinkish. That's how I want that part to look. Next up, I'll be using this peach shade, and I'm taking this with the flat top blending brush, and this one's from Naked. So I'm applying that color next to the outer corner. So that's now the second phase of our transition, guys. That's the third phase rather. So this shade is going to be the shade in between our main color on the lid and the outer corner color. They're actually going to blend together for you not to know where one ends and where one begins. So this is the brush I like to use to take my eyeshadow primer, and I'm using this primer from Gorgeousme, and I'm going to just apply the primer on her lid. So for a flawless eyeshadow, you need to, after applying your primer, you need to blend the primer so as there not to be any harsh line. This blending brush is the e.l.f. blending brush. It's also a flat top V-shaped blending brush. So now I'm going to be using my hands for a proper blending. The hands are more better actually because it enables your primer to sit flat on the lid. Now for my main color, I'm using this flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm taking this color right here. It's pigmented. It's like gold, I would say. So I'm just going to apply that carefully on the primer. Please make sure your client or model's eyes remains closed till you're done with the eyeshadow. Reason being, you don't want the eyeshadow to crease if she looks up and down. So now I need to blend towards the outer corner so it goes well together. And now I'm taking that same shade I used before to smudge the outer corner close to her lash line. So I'm going back to blend my crease area towards the main color on her lid. So now it's time for proper blending. So I'm going back to blend the outer corner with the same brush I used. Didn't pick much product. So next I'm taking that same shade I used to blend the color next to the outer color. So I need to blend that color properly so that it matches both my outer corner and the lid color. So guys, blending is very important. You need to blend properly. In makeup, blending is key. I'll always say this, blending is key. So you need to blend until you're satisfied though. So now I'm going in with this clean blending brush, and it's from Bobbi Brown. You always need a clean blending brush that has no color or eyeshadow products on it, so that you can blend all your products together without adding any color to the ones you've added or blended, or rather filtering the old colors. So that's the reason why you need more than enough blending brush. So have as many as you can. So it's time to smudge underneath her lash line. I'm using the smudge brush, and I'm going to go in with the colors I used on her eyes underneath her lash line. So first I'm using the pink shade and I'm smudging that in the middle. So you need to also dust off the product so that the particles don't get into your client's eye, like I said earlier. Now I'm smudging the outer part, that's underneath the outer corner, and I'm going to smudge it with the purple shade. So also dust off excess, guys. You need to be careful with this process. I want this part to look smoky, so kind of like mixing the purple with black, so it gives me a smoky purple. That's how I want the under part to look like. Next up, we'll be lining our waterline with the Kissbeauty pencil. It's a jumbo pencil, so I'm going to line in our waterline with it.
Trash, got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots of patrol.
So we're going to line with this eyeliner, and it's Saniye. I like the eyeliner though, so I'm not going to be doing a wing liner today. I'm just going to make it precise. So if your model or client can't keep their eyes steady when looking up or straight, it's preferable you tell them to look down or close their eyes so you don't make a mistake when lining. You need to be careful when lining your eyes. So for the tear dot area, your model or client should look up so you can be able to do that and see what you're doing very well. I want that part to have a sharp end. So I've moved on to the next eye, and you should also be careful when lining both eyes. So for people that tear up, you need to do the eye area before you do the skin work so that they don't mess up the whole makeup and what you've struggled hard to do. So it's best to just do this process first. So guys, we've fixed the eyelash off camera, and this is the end of the tutorial. I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you all. So please make sure to subscribe, give a thumbs up and like. See you next time on my video. Bye guys.